everybody, my name is Blanca. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be toddler down here. This is Annabella. Say hi. Today I'm going to be cleaning up my kitchen and living room because it is a disaster. I mean a disaster. Like, the floor is disgusting. Annabella is in the middle of eating lunch, which she's very distracted and will not eat. We are gonna start cleaning, and hopefully this video will give you some cleaning motivation and do some cleaning of your own, because I know we're all busy. We all have busy lives out there, and sometimes it's hard to get to. I am a full-time mommy, and I also have a full-time job, so it is pretty difficult for me to get my house to stay clean, especially with the little one running around. So without further ado, let's get started.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. I do believe in lovers like.
I ran into a little hiccup. My vacuum is clogged. Disgusting. It's like potato chips mixed with cat hair. It's sick. Very, very sick. I'm gonna take off all this hair that's stuck on here. And just out of curiosity, how many of you do this? Like actually clean off the hair on the vacuum? How often do you clean it? Because up until today, I've only done it 2 times since I've owned this vacuum, and it's been about 3 years.
Deep down and in those eyes, think I have memorized every single flare inside your burning stare. Just wanna be inside, keep dancing in your mind. You'll be my nighttime Valentine. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the right away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun.
Alright, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the music that played in the background, and I hope you will consider subscribing for more videos. I guess I will see you in my next one. Bye!